Hello guys, welcome to my channel Subbu's Escapade. This is Subramani here. So today I am going to unbox Amazon Echo Dot Generation 3. So I purchased it from India in Amazon.com at great Indian sale day. So let's see the unboxing of this. So you know this Amazon Echo Dot is a smart speaker, so it can be best companion for the people who are feeling lonely. So you can ask anything like Alexa, play the latest Bollywood hits. What are your top skills? What is the India's cricket score, like this? Even you can ask what is trending today, how is the weather today. So this kind of things you can ask Alexa. So it can be answered you in recent updates. So this is the price of this Alexa, around 4,499 INR. I purchased it for 2,500 INR. So let's see the unboxing now. So it contains a smart speaker, as you can see, so which is having the volume rockers button and then one mute button and the power button. You can see here. Let's see the unboxing. Volume increase and decrease button, and this is the microphone on and off, and this is power button on and off. So this is how the Alexa Echo 3rd generation looks. So the build is very rigid, I can see. So it's made up of plastic and as well as some fabric here in this cover for the speaker. So you will get this power cord and another one 3.5mm jack where you can connect any speaker, so to get the more volume or sound from Alexa smart speaker. Next we have is the power cord. You can see the power cord is 15 watts. Okay. So I'm using this Alexa 3rd generation in China. I'm going to use it in China. Let's see how it works without VPN. You know, without VPN, not even a Google website can open in China. So let's see how it works. Okay. So that's it regarding this. We have a power cord, so which will be fixed here, and then we can start using it. Followed by the manuals. You can see the same things for what I mentioned here. Here's some of the things which we can say to Alexa, so it will answer. Again, the same thing in different languages, the warranty and the safety regulations here. So let's go for some test. So let's see some testing with the Alexa. So I have connected to the power cord and let's see how it works, how it's responding. Okay. Alexa, play 90s Bollywood music.
Here's a station for you, 90s Bollywood, on Amazon Music.
Okay, it was responding quickly. Alexa, stop. So as you mentioned in the manual, you can see. So you just directly plug and play it, and you require internet connection. So you have to customize this options, everything in the Alexa app. So it's available for both iOS and Android. So if you want to connect to speaker,
I don't see a book titled both voice and Android in your library. To find audiobooks,
okay,
visit
Alexa, stop.
audible.in.
It will start responding when I say the word Alexa. Alexa, stop. So you can see, you can connect this smart speaker to the very high wattage speaker. So with the 3.5mm power cord, as I was saying. and nothing waste of things. So if you want to try once again, so let me give the update of today. Alexa, what's trending today?
Here are a few trending stories. Asansol Railway Police has gone filmy in its quest for cleanliness. For all the big headlines, ask, what happened this week? And BJ Watling became the first New Zealand wicketkeeper to score a double ton.
Okay, Alexa, stop. So using this Alexa dot. Sorry, Alexa, I should not say
The
word
Echo
again.
Dot allows you to talk to me in more rooms in your home. It includes a built-in speaker. But you can also
Okay,
connect to
Alexa,
external
stop,
speakers
please.
using
Alexa,
Bluetooth
stop.
or...
So I will say the smart speaker after. So because if I say that word, it catches that and it is responding. So we can say some other things like, see here. So you can do shopping from Amazon.in, so that you can add to the cart and you can say just purchase it, Alexa, purchase it, those things. So you have. So the main thing which I like with this smart speaker is you can connect all the household appliances like air condition, and as well as this washing machine and bedroom lights, everything. Wherever the lights you have, you can convert into the smart lights. You just switch on this light, switch off the light, so it will respond quickly. So, and we can try some of these things like tell me a joke, what are the skills, and volume of Alexa from 1 to 10. So 1 is the minimum and 10 is the maximum. Okay, so you can ask anything, even you can ask for a recipe for a kitchen preparation, so it will answer for you. So that's it. These are the things we can try from this very tiny smart speaker from Amazon. So any doubt regarding this, you can comment in the comment section so that I can answer you. So that's it, guys. Peace.